In this video today, guys, I am going to be showing you how to get WWE 2K26 for free. You can get a copy of WWE 2K26 on all platforms. So that's Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, and Nintendo Switch 2. And this is going to save you a bunch of money because this game is pretty expensive. If I just navigate back to that page here and show you, this game costs around 60 Great British pounds, which is about 80 US dollars. So before I show you how to get WWE 2K26 for free, make sure you drop a like on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm always creating money saving tutorials. And let's get into the video. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone to get your digital game code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So I did this earlier. I play on PlayStation, so I went ahead and entered it into the PSN store. So what you need to do is use your mobile internet and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in my internet like this. So you can pause the video and copy the address here. Cold Coupons is a game code website, guys. I've actually used these previously. They have other games such as like Resident Evil, 2K25, NBA, stuff like that. So you need to navigate your way to the WWE 2K26 codes page here. Now on this page, guys, they do have a digital game code to allow you to get the game for free. So go ahead and scroll down and select this one. This is a WWE 2K26 free digital download code for Xbox, PlayStation 5, PC, and Nintendo Switch. So this is the easiest method, guys, saving you a bunch of money, and it only takes around 5 minutes. So, yeah, I think it's worth it. I think $80 is pretty expensive, so I don't mind spending 5 to 10 minutes to do this to get my code. So essentially, these are limited codes, and obviously this game's pretty expensive, so it stops people getting more than one code for more than one copy of the game. So as you can see, you need to reveal your code here. So go ahead and tap on that button, and it's going to bring you to this page, and this tells you how to get your WWE 2K26 code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below. So basically, guys, what you're going to want to do on this page, you see a list of tasks. You need to complete 2 of them. They're completely free, and they take about 5 minutes to do. And essentially, these tasks are things like installing and opening mobile apps, downloading and playing games, answering surveys. So they're really easy, guys. The ones at the top tend to be the easiest, but yeah, you can choose any 2 of them, follow the instructions, and if you complete 2, your 2K26 WWE code will be revealed in this box. So the full code will be revealed. You can go ahead, redeem it no matter which platform you play on. You can enter it, and that is going to get you WWE 2K26 for free. So this is the easiest method, guys. And like I said, these are one-time use codes. So once you get your digital game code, use it for yourself and enjoy. So yeah, go to Cold Coupons. If you need any help, just let me know, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.